Anywhere you go, anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere you say, anywhere.
Hello. What is that? Am I getting a pimple? I started watching Superstore and I like the show mostly. I would love to hear anyone else's opinion on the show that has seen it, or if you haven't seen it and you're curious about it, watch it. I would love to know what y'all think of it. I really like it for the most part, but I do get very irked when I realize, and I get it, you know, it's the show, but I get very irked when I realize that a lot of the problems in the show, a lot of the problems that happen could have been very easily fixed if they just talked to each other. If they were just, like, I'm watching season 3, episode 5, Sal's dead. It's a Halloween episode, and spoiler, if you haven't seen it, it's an old show apparently, but I was recommended it by someone from work. Amy, she takes Jonah's phone because she's messing with his like dating apps and like swiping right and left for people, and she accidentally swiped right. I think that means they want to date or they're interested, for one of their coworkers, and instead of just telling him, like, and she's like, no, I gotta make it more complicated than what it is. And she does this all the time, and it's so annoying. It's so annoying. I know that's a script for the show so that they can make it more interesting. I just wish the writers would have went in a different direction. They made Amy kind of annoying in this episode. It's just my 2 cents. And it happens a few times, but just
Get it. You don't get it. You don't get it. You're just so beautiful.
it is. Hi everybody, I guess this is like a formal intro to this vlog. I just went for a walk to go check the mail, which I have to hike to check the mail because the mailbox is a little far. It's so nice outside. It's like hot and dry, and I actually love hot, dry weather. And I went to the office and I filled my water up. When I go to the office, I like to put this chagachino in my coffee. Scoop. Stuff is very good. It's kind of sweet though, which means I don't really need to add any sweeteners to it once I add the chagachino. Try to do it while it's still hot. Oh my gosh, so the water felt so nice on my arm just now. I'm gonna turn this into a cold brew, like, not a cold brew, just like a iced coffee. My little sister got me this cup, I think it was last year for my birthday, and I love it. It's my favorite cup. It's my favorite cup. Let's add it. Don't need a lot. You don't need a lot. So, oh, this is vegan, by the way. Starbucks came out with these. I used to love these when I was younger. My favorite was the vanilla one. Or they don't have the vanilla one as like an oat milk vegan one. They just have this caramel waffle cookie, and then they have this chocolate batter one. It's just a little sweet, so we like to add a little coffee. My iced coffee, favorite cup. Fuel. I don't really have anything planned today. Okay, so I have eggs that I boiled last night. I'm vegan, he is not, so he still eats eggs. And I found this recipe for these, they're called drunken eggs, but they look like tea eggs, which are the eggs that I used to make all the time when I used to work at Golden and Long. So I want to make that for him so they can soak. We need soy sauce, green onions, rice, mirin, and measuring cup. I just bought this soy sauce yesterday. We're gonna use this minced garlic. And they're like thick chunks, so that's good, right? There might have been a lot of onion. It's fine. I dropped so many onions in that process. Okay, great. So we got soy sauce, onion, garlic, water. Oh no. Chili flakes and sesame seeds. I don't know how much. I'm just gonna eyeball this. Oh, fine. Okay. Now I made a huge mess. It's gonna happen. Make a mess, we clean it up. Make a mess, we clean it up.
Bee-boo. Bee-boo. Boo-boo.
Dang, I never finished this. Okay. I don't know if I can actually keep this in the vlog, but this is a Valentine's Day vlog. It's so late to upload it, but I'm gonna upload it anyway. A couple of my friends did this dance. I don't know if I can actually upload it because the song, but it is such a good dance. Okay, so my video is exporting. It should be done in like 30 minutes. I want to make something really special for food for Lou when he comes home. Maybe some roasted veggies. This recipe looks really good. Think about it. Yeah.
The sun takes my breath away. Such a warm illumination in the sky. For all the years that I've slept away, I now sit and ponder why. And for all those simple moments, such beauty, they made you cry. Settle the tender timber, see the light before you die. Find the hope you can only try.
I got the new rug set out. It's not new, but it's too hot to have the other one. And funny enough, I put this one on. It's thin, it's pretty, it's springy, but it's actually very cold outside now. It's supposed to drop down to the 40s, I think tonight, and then I think tomorrow is low 50s. So it just got really cold, but that's fine. The heated blanket's still out, and yeah. So I just like watered the plants, organized, and like cleaned the tub, and I'm finished with all of my chores today. All right, I'm gonna piece this vlog together and close it for the day. Thank you so much for being with me today. Yeah, thank you. I hope you'll have a great evening and a great week coming up, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.